Hello guys, welcome to the Evolving Knowledge channel. Ready to learn? Today I will talk about rainbow. Have you ever been curious about how it is formed? Is there a pot of gold at the end of the rainbow? Watch the video to learn more. The properties and behavior of light and how it interacts with water droplets formed one of the most colorful meteorological events, the rainbow. This phenomenon is caused by reflection, refraction, and dispersion of light and water droplets, resulting in a spectrum of light appearing in the sky. Let's review these concepts in physics. The law of reflection states that a reflected ray of light emerges from the reflecting surface at the same angle to the surface normal as the incident ray, but on the opposing side of the surface normal in the plane formed by the incident and reflected rays. Refraction is the change in the direction of a wave passing from one medium to another or from a gradual shift in the medium. Dispersion is the phenomenon in which the phase velocity of a wave depends on its frequency. Media having this common property may be termed dispersive media. For example, in a dispersive prism, the white light is split into its spectral components, the colors of the rainbow, which are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Rainbows are formed when sunlight is scattered from raindrops into the eyes of an observer. This image shows how the path of light travels through a droplet. The sunlight hits the droplet, the first refraction happens following internal reflection, and then the light leaves the droplet and the second refraction occurs, with different waves. The rainbow is formed by circles, not arcs, but we can only observe it as a semicircle because we have seen from the ground. To see the rainbow, an observer standing in the right place will see the dispersed sunlight reflected towards them. Light scattered by many drops. The observer's eye will appear as a colorful rainbow. Different colors exit the droplets at angles varying by around 2 degrees from red to violet. Facts about the rainbows. René Descartes was the first who realized in 1637 that rainbows were caused by light from the sun being split into different colors by rain. Sir Isaac Newton explained how a rainbow occurs. A person standing next to you is standing in a slightly different spot and sees the rainbow differently because they see other raindrops. You cannot touch a rainbow as it has no physical appearance. We can't see rainbows in the winter because the winter raindrops freeze into snowflakes, so fewer raindrops fall. Earth is the only planet in the solar system where rainbows are possible. And of course, there is any gold pot at the end of the rainbow. Hey guys, how did you find the video? I hope you enjoyed it. Support our channel with your like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye.